DJM Gang. It's your girl Destiny from DJM Gang. So, as you see, I got a Nerf gun. This thing is about extra heavy. So today what we are going to do is we're going to prank my brother. And I'm going to be like, put your hands up. And then he's going to be like, what you mean, what you mean? I'm going to get him to say something. Be like, put your hands up. And then I'm going to see what he's going to do. I got a star in my eye. And it hurts really bad. But I'm gonna be like, so put your hands up, and then I'm gonna just start shooting them. So let's get into the video.
You know what I mean? No. I almost had that actually. Whoa! Oh. You know what my plan is? My plan is to trigger every single arrow. But I gotta make sure that they don't hit. Okay. I gotta make sure that they don't hit. I give up. Time for the ultimate flipping bottle challenge. I'm kidding. It's just a bottle rod. I'm alive. I'm alive. Okay, I don't know how to do this.
Put your hands up.
Ow! I'm getting shot. Out of bullets! Oh.
I'm almost out of balls, so you better hurry up. I'm out of balls. Dang it.
First it.
Alright, y'all. Come here. Alright, y'all. So we back at it again. We got into our hottest part.
One, two, one, move. Move. Two, move. Three,
Wait, Drew.
four.
Make sure the thing's close.
Go. Move. No. Move. If you get hit, it's gonna be your problem. Weak. You're so weak.
That was the last bullet.
Junior's out! Load up and don't stop shooting. Load up.
Ow, that was in the nose.
Load up. Drew, load up.
Close again.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Okay. Let us reload and we'll be back. It's not all of them, but okay.
Remember, when she runs out, she has to reload. You just keep pulling and going.
Wait.
Drew, don't stop.
I ran out of bullets.
Come on, Drew, start shooting. Like she be doing you.
My cheek. That's why it's going. No.
Reload, Drew, hurry. Got anything to say?
About to have war now. Oh, you know. Aim for that big head.
Wait.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Don't stop.
Oh, shoot.
Right in the butt. That's not fair. She's unarmed. You can't shoot her.
Wait. Mariah, go get her back. Okay, let Mariah go get her back.
Also,
You don't stop.
No, wait.
Ain't
Yes.
no waiting.
Yes.
No, get her, Jew.
my bully.
Hey guys, can you go get my bat for me? I don't know what it is.
It's my
Oh, he does. Dickhead. Lord.
Man,
Now y'all finna get hurt.
how you just gonna shoot at her?
She's hitting me the most. I'm right on your tail.
Yay! I am the one.
This is my last bullet. And I'm gonna make it work.
Come on, man.
Yeah, I'm done playing. Y'all can go at it. I'm done.
No, you're not.
I am done.
Why you done?
Cause I got hit
Because
with
you
that
will
bat
cry,
too many
baby?
times.
So tell them how it was an epic fail because your brother came back for you, huh? It shot you weird, dead smack in the middle of your eyes.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
Dad.
She was hitting me with the bat. Get him.
No, no.
Give me. Ow! My bat!
That's both of y'all hitting me. That's both of y'all.
Come down. Down. All the way. Get her, Mariah. That's for hitting her in the back, huh?
I put my about you.
Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
Hi, happy birthday.
Hi and happy birthday. Whose birthday is it?
Daddy.
Daddy's birthday is a while away.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Comment down below, guys, what you guys want me to do next.
No.